Hi everybody, it's Sarah with Faith in the Smoky Ministries, and I want to talk about Magnolia House and share about that with you today. Magnolia House is transitional temporary housing for families that are either currently homeless or soon to be homeless. FITSUM defines a family as a married couple with or without children, and our focus on families is because there is very little that is available as far as housing and shelter for families that are currently homeless. There are other organizations in the Knox County area who are doing some work, but it's not nearly enough. Our goal is to have a dorm-style building that'll house up to 13 families at a time within a 6 to 12-month program. And that program will bring them in and provide them housing, food, laundry, help them with getting resources and making sure they have what they need in order to get a job, or to keep a job if they currently have a job. And we'll work with them through the program to set goals for the family, as well as help them to learn budgeting skills and household management skills, from housekeeping to cooking, everything like that, as well as financial planning and training. So that way, once they do graduate from the program, they have these skills within them that will help them become self-sufficient. That is our goal, is for families to be self-sufficient and not require assistance from other agencies. The program itself, as I said, is a 6 to 12-month program, depending on the family and what they're dealing with, what their situation is when they come into the program. Within the first 1 to 2 months, they aren't going to be required to pay rent or any expenses other than anything they might owe previously. That way they're able to really restart and start over and start from scratch, and we can take a look at their budget and take a look at their financial situation and really help them map out what's going to be the best plan for them. And then as they move through, they're going to begin to incur additional expenses, like they're going to begin paying rent, they'll begin paying for childcare, pay for their food and laundry costs, pay for their utility costs. So that way, once they do graduate the program, not only are they used to paying for these expenses, but they have a budget that pays for these expenses. So that way they know what to do and know what to work with when they leave the program. When they graduate the program, they're going to keep in contact with us for up to another year to make sure that they really are doing what they're supposed to be doing. And all of our classes and trainings will be training and teaching the children all the way up through the adults. That way an entire family unit is being taught the same principles and the same facts and ideas. So that way when it comes to budgeting and things like that, the kids are seeing the parents do it, the parents are seeing the kids do it, and they can do these things and set these goals as a family. And that really is our purpose, is to really help strengthen that unit, that family unit, especially when so many agencies are telling them, well, if you are a single parent or a single family, we would be able to help you, but because you're married, we can't. And that really is the core of our goal, is to strengthen and solidify that family unit. So that's a little bit about Magnolia House. If you have any other questions, we'd love to speak to you about it. Get more details, and I'll post some more information below. Thanks so much, and you guys have a great day.